In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Shopify checkout page. For many online entrepreneurs, your Shopify store's checkout page is where the magic happens. It's the final stop for your customers before they make a purchase, so making sure it's perfectly tailored to your brand and your customers' needs can significantly enhance their shopping experience and potentially increase your conversion rates. Today we're diving into the process of editing your Shopify checkout page, making it a smooth journey from start to finish. First things first, let's head over to Shopify. By going to the Shopify website, you can begin the process. You'll see the familiar homepage where countless journeys towards successful e-commerce ventures begin. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to entering the back end of your store, which houses all the tools you need to customize your site. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Shopify store to avoid any login issues. After inputting your email, you'll then be asked to enter your password. Type it carefully, then click on Login to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, you're ready to move on to the more exciting part, customization. Upon logging in, locate and click on My Store, and then navigate to the Themes section. This area is where all the visual elements of your store can be modified, but today we're focusing solely on the checkout page. Once in the Themes section, look for the Online Store option in the sidebar menu and select it. Finding yourself in the Online Store section, it's now time to click on Customize. This action opens the theme editor, a powerful tool that Shopify offers for making real-time changes to your store's appearance, including your checkout page. Remember to select the theme you're currently using before proceeding to ensure that your changes affect your live store. With the theme editor open, you need to direct your attention to the settings. Look for a settings icon or tab, which could vary in appearance based on the Shopify theme you're using. Clicking on this will unfold a plethora of customizable settings, but our treasure lies in the checkout section. Navigate to checkout and prepare to bring your brand's personality to this crucial part of your online store. In the checkout section, you'll find an option to select image. This feature allows you to customize the header of your checkout page. Choose an image that reflects your brand or the current theme of your store. Remember, this is the first thing your customers will see in their checkout process, so make it count. After selecting your image, be it a brand logo or any other branded visual, you'll be prompted to add details. This could be anything from a special message to your customers to simply ensuring that your brand logo fits nicely within the designated space. Take your time here to ensure everything looks just right. Should you decide to change the image or adjust it further, you can select the image again or highlight it to make adjustments. This is your opportunity to experiment with different visuals until you find the perfect one that complements your checkout page's design. Finally, once you're satisfied with your image and its details, highlight it one last time for any final adjustments. This is your last chance to make sure everything looks absolutely perfect. Remember, a well-designed checkout page not only reflects your brand's aesthetic, but also plays a pivotal role in the overall shopping experience for your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of editing your Shopify checkout page. This seemingly small change can make a significant difference in how customers perceive your brand during one of the most crucial steps of their purchasing journey. Feel free to tweak and adjust until you're entirely satisfied with the result. Remember, the goal is to make the checkout experience as smooth, branded, and reassuring as possible for your customers. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Editing your Shopify checkout page is just one of the many ways you can optimize your online store to better serve your customers and reflect your brand. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep growing your online business. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your Shopify store. Happy selling!